Five ways to say yes. Definitely, of course, I would love to, for sure, my thoughts exactly. Five ways to say thank you. I appreciate it. That's very kind of you. I am so thankful. I am so great. Thanks a lot. Five ways to say excellent, amazing, wonderful, fantastic, tremendous, splendid. Five ways to say I agree. So do I. You are so right. I feel that way too. That's just I was thinking. I could not have said. Five ways to say angry, upset, pissed off, infuriated, irritated, outraged. Five ways to say I understand. Got it. Okay, I get it now. That's clear. I take your point. That makes sense. Five ways to say happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Many more happy returns. I wish you a wonderful birthday. Have a fabulous birthday. Wishing you many more candles to blow. To proceed further, guys, I will request you that like this video, have a good comment, and please subscribe my channel. 10 other way to say just kidding. Don't take it seriously. I was only jesting. I was only playing around. I'm just fooling around. I'm just having a laugh. I'm just messing with you. I'm just pulling your leg. I'm only being silly. It was only a joke, just joking, just teasing you, just trying to take the Mickey. 9 English phrases for telling someone to wait. Could you give me a minute? Hang on a second, just a second, hold on. Let me see, think. I will be right with you. Bear me with. That's how to wait. Be patient. Not so fast. 7 other ways to say lazy. Bone idle, indolent, sluggish, shiftless, slack, lethargic, inactive. 10 phrases for asking to repeat. Can you repeat, please? I did not catch that. Pardon. Sorry, I did not hear that. Do you mind repeating that? Excuse me, could you repeat that? Come again. I beg your pardon. Could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again, please? 14 other ways to say handsome, attractive, charming, dapper, elegant, good looking, dashing, stunning, dazzling, smart, smooth, stately, athletic, suave, stylish. 12 other ways to say I think, in my opinion, from my point of view, I believe, as far as I can tell, I assure, to me, I would say, to my mind, in my point of view, it is my view. I consider the way I see things is that 12 ways to say happy. Over the moon, delighted, blissful, contented, thrilled, pleased, radiant, satisfied, beaming, on the cloud nine, in the good mood, jocular. 12 ways to say good luck. All the best. Best of luck. Fingers crossed. Wishing you all the best. Wishing you lots of luck. You are going to be amazing. You were made for this. You will do great. All the best to you. I hope it all goes well. Have a blast. I wish you luck. 12 ways to say something is correct. Absolutely. Exactly. That's it. That's spot on. There is nothing to add on that. Yes, that's right. Yes, that's very correct. You are quite right. You could say so. You have hit a nail on the head. You are dead right. I'm afraid so. 10 other ways to say it's interesting. I adore it. I could not put it down. I could not tear myself away. I like it. I was so into it, I lost track of time. I'm addicted or attached to it. I'm fond of it. I'm keen on it. I'm passionate about it.